Okay then, here it is, the final version of the busy board for Wilbur and Freddie. Let's have a look at what we've got then. Okay, we've got a nice little push button switch here. Doesn't do anything, but it does push button. Spinner, some nice wheels to spin. And lots of keys and jingly things, padlocks. Okay, then along the way there, you've got to figure their way out of opening, getting through the door. Got a nice little padlock here. Combination padlock. I think they've been another 15 years before they can break into that one. Got a nice touchy-feely brushes here. Down below then, what we've got a nice bit of chain and some spinning wheels. Okay, and a switch, just a switch to play with, on and off. What we've got here? Oh, they've got to learn how to open this. Open this, what's inside? Oh, it's a picture of Sister Daisy. Daisy and the mummy and the boys. That's Wilbur and Freddie and Daisy. Okay, what's down below? Oh, this is nice. Feel this grass. Really rough. What's this do? 30 wheel. Homemade abacus, some beads and some washers. Nice little handle here and a little brick. What's down here? A mirror. Oh, look who's in that mirror. It's me. What's on here? It's a little door. Lift up the handle. Oh, who's that? It's, is it Max or is it Mabel? I don't know. One of the two. Here, what we've got to do here? We've got to turn this handle. Wow. Oh, who's inside? It's Daddy and Mummy and Daisy. Let's lock that door again. Another switch. What's making that noise? Oh, it's this. Another Lego brick. Nice little bit of wood there, touchy-feely. What have we got there? On, off. Bright light. Too bright, so I've had to put some red and blue tape on it so it's not too bright. Some spinning wheels. Whoa! Underneath there you can see the zip. Up and close again. More keys, more chain, more spinny wheels. Oh, and here's another one we missed out. Lots to play with, lots to play with. Got a mirror and a handle and then some turning here and then some bristly brushes. But what happens then? We go to the other side, we stand up, we come round. It's an airframe. There's more, there's more. Got a nice bit of touchy-feely again. There's Freddie Wilbur, F and W. What's this one do? Oh, turns the headlights on. Okay. Keys, turning clicky-clacky keys, more wheels. What's this? What's this? There's a hook. What's that? Put the balls in here and they come out there. Put the balls in here and they come out there. Put the balls in here and they come out there. Let's see what's on TV today, boys. Got a little light there. Press that button. On, off. More touchy-feely. More touchy-feely. Another brick. Oh, look at this. Look at this lot. Another switch. Nothing happens with that, it's just a switch. Another mirror. Oh, another door. Let's unlock this door. Unlock this chain. Who's inside? Who's inside? Ah, it's Mummy and the boys and Daisy. Check that out. Okay. One more switch, one more switch. Which one? Try that switch. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I. Oh, what's this one do? Let's open this. Open up, another door. Oh, we got Daddy and Mummy and Sister Daisy. Very nice. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.